drove by. The entrance to Will Rogers.
See all of this that so many people are working so hard for to go up and come. Hopefully, everybody has some insurance. The insurance company cooperate with them.
Can you work on that for me? I've been trying to get it turned around like all night, but the service is so bad. That's a long piece. Which the condo?
From not only this fire, but other fires now burning here across Southern California, all the way to the west side, Pacific Palisades and Malibu. We saw LA County Fire here. I'm mostly curious to see if a garden hose could put that out. Right now, just west of Michelinda. I'm giving you a lot of descriptors of our exact location, but a lot of the locals. We are at the top of Valley View Avenue here in Pasadena, the Upper Hastings Ranch. That being said, there were homes surrounding it that were on fire. So it's just tough to see. We'll come across firefighters and engines like this one, streets that have been scathed so far that are not burning, others where there are 4 or 5 homes on fire spit. But we're hearing the fire, the crackling and the popping noises, which is really eerie, and these crews doing everything. And these fire crews, I don't know if they're out of water or what, but it seems like there's only so much that they can do. There's no real active fire thing. And you hope that remains to be the case here through the night. You know, there's still embers, there's still wind, and there's still fire there. Danger with loss of property. We just hope that there's no loss of life and that everybody left in a hurry when those evacuation warnings went out. Display that they have for about a month long, and the neighborhood here is just jam-packed with visitors who come to them. Seeing is not only the loss of property, but the lack of resources, just because of how much is burning here in the area. Keep you posted throughout the morning now that we're into the early morning hours here on